Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to monetize your website. Now, particularly most online creators earn money with website monetization from Google AdSense. Google Sites, on the other hand, is a tool that you can use to create websites. Now, if you have a Google site, will you be able to integrate Google AdSense in it so you can monetize it? Unfortunately, that is not possible. You can dig deep as to why it is not possible, but basically, the new version of Google Sites does not support AdSense or any other advertising networks. This is because the focus of the new Google Sites is to provide users with a simple and streamlined website builder without the complexity of third party integrations like AdSense. But there are ways for you to monetize your websites via Google AdSense. One way is through affiliate marketing. So as you can see here, you can place an affiliate link on your website and then customers clicks your link and makes a purchase. Now conversions are tracked and then you get a commission as an affiliate. Another thing would be Blogger. So it is a free tool from Google wherein you can create and publish blogs. You can integrate AdSense in Blogger so you can monetize it. So this is an example interface of Blogger. Now this is just a new login. I haven't had any blog posts yet, but for this tutorial, I just want to show you this part, earnings. So once you integrate AdSense to your account, you have to have it approved first. And then if you're good to go, then you can start earning. And that's it. That's how you monetize your websites. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.